Y'all hear me now or no? Can y'all hear me now or no? Yes, maybe, possible. I'm glad y'all didn't hear me because I actually want to talk about something else. So, recently, state of how to really fix the world. Now, I sit back and I think about this, and I go, yeah, it's a lot of woke people, a lot of conscious people, it's a lot of people who get it. You know, like, shouts out to all the people that's a part of Hidden Colors. Shouts out to Hidden Colors 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to come. But there's one question that I ask, and this goes to, like, you know, all the people that participate in Hidden Colors. I notice everybody knows the history, and everybody has the history on what has happened. Nobody really has a full answer on what the fuck we gotta do. The real question is, what the fuck is a real solution to the Earth's problems? Not just people problems. Like, nobody care about racism and all that shit, whatever. What's a real solution to the problems of Earth? What can be done to fix Earth? So, I came up with 5 different ways it could be done. Earth could be fixed. The first way is we have to completely redesign the structure of what we believe living is. A lot of people may not understand what I mean by that. But we have to redefine what we perceive as living, as far as houses, as far as grocery markets, as far as items that we buy. Because although we eat, we pollute the earth like trash. You ever think about how many times you take the trash out? You ever think about how many trash bags you fill up? You ever think about, like, how much waste one house put out? You ever think about how much waste, just trash, like, just from eating shit? Chip bags and snack bags and Snicker bags and shit. Like, and times that by, nigga, hundreds of thousands of houses. Then you think about trash, right? Then you also think about what we eat, right? What recycled. Our boo-boo ain't recyclable because we don't eat the right shit. In the jungle, boo-boo gets recycled. There's little dung beetles and all type of shit come scoop your boo-boo up, make a house, some leaves grow, some tundra, nigga, all type of funguses and shit, create more plants and trees, all type of, like, it's recyclable. But based on what we eat, our boo-boo ain't recyclable. Cause, oh, you can't recycle this boo-boo, that shit stink. So we gotta reprogram the way we eat. We gotta reprogram how we eat it. We gotta reprogram the grocery stores. We gotta like delete canned food. We gotta delete packaged items. Like, in order for, like, the first way, in order for us to fix or save the planet, we gotta revamp how we feel about living. Even houses, like the materials that houses are made of, like wood and all certain shit. Like, we gotta revamp. We gotta completely revamp the way we consider living. We gotta delete cars. There can't be no more cars. Like, cars is really toxic, bro. Cars don't do nothing but let out fucking toxic all day. So we gotta either make a fucking car that let out fucking oxygen. We need air purifier mufflers. Right? Either they got air purifier. Either we turn our mufflers to air purifiers, or alright, this shit fucked up. So we gotta change our drive. We gotta change the work system. We gotta change work. We gotta change how people go to work. We gotta change everything about the way we live today. Because city structure and infiltration of city structure, all of these shits, like, if we have to infiltrate the city structure, that's a solution to fixing this shit. Because the average person in life right now don't even understand that they partake and participate in the help of destroying the planet. We're talking about an average pedestrian. An average pedestrian have no idea that they partake in destroying the world. They have no idea. They just think they go to school or they work or they eat right, and they think they pick up litter and dump the litter in the trash. They think they doing the right thing. Nah, nigga. Nah. It's a lot to it, right? So that's one way. The second way we can fix the planet is my favorite way. This is my favorite way. Our favorite way white animals trying to take over animal kingdom. We gotta get them up out of here. Racism exists in the animal kingdom. You ever went to the zoo and seen a white gorilla? You seen how they treat that albino gorilla? Man, that nigga got a 2-story mansion, all type of shit. He don't even eat bananas, man. He eat all type of. He a vegan. They be whipping him up, nigga. Tofu and shit. You ever see how they treat white animals? Oh my God, that's an amazing albino alligator. Don't touch it. Oh my God, it's a white killer whale. It's so better than all the other ones. Kill all the black ones and keep the white ones. So I started to tell myself, if we keep allowing this like albino animal thing to exist, soon enough animals gonna start slaving other animals. I know how evolution works. Because you keep treating these albino animals with like better respect, they gonna start building superiority complexes. Yep. You start treating these whiter animals with like better things, over time in evolution, they gonna start realizing, hey, we better than the other things. Oh man, we should start tricking them and making them work for us. Yep. And then before you know it, you gonna see the all white lions and shit, nigga. You gonna see the regular symbols in them. Man, I remember when I used to be the Lion King. Shut up! You were never the Lion King, you son of a bitch. Now get over there and roar. Oh. Soon all the little albino animals gonna try to take over the regular animals. I know. So we need to nuke the whole planet and kill all of them. Want me to tell you how I know this? Because I'm from the hood. And when you from the hood, every blue moon you get a white roach. Oh. When you from the hood, every blue moon you get a white roach. And that white roach, it act like a slave owner. Oh, you know what I'm talking about. You really from the hood and you have roaches over 10 years, open one of them drawers late night. Yeah, you're gonna see a white one in there. Look at the white ones. They act like white people. They don't run. You know how you cut the lights on? You know you cut the lights on late night and all the black roaches be scattering and all that? Cut the lights on for a white roach. Pardon me, would you happen to know where the chips are? What? My nigga, I pulled out my shoe one time. I'm about to smack the white roach. That motherfucker called the police. I'm about to smack him before I know it. I heard doom, 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 doom. Who is it? Police. We just got a call. There's an emergency here. Caucasian man under stress. Wait, what? Yeah, open door. I said, oh! Kill it! The white roaches act just like white people. Yep. Just like them. I don't trust no white animals. You call me, I'm cool with regular white people in real life, but white animals, oh, I don't trust them. They up to something. white friends, but I ain't about to have no white chimp. If I see a white chimpanzee, I'm killing that shit ASAP. Nope. You ain't about to have no babies and breed and create a society of things getting treated better than other chimps. Nope. Kill it. If I see any white animal, I'm killing ASAP. Kill. No. Nope. Ain't gonna do it. I ain't about to let your ass start a better thing for the white animals. Oh no. You ain't about to breed. You ain't about to have no baby white chimps. Nope. Kill. Nope. Ain't. Nope. Not letting it happen. Oh. I'd be damned if I go to the jungle and chimpanzee talking about, pardon me, I don't really eat bananas. I would highly appreciate it if you bring me some tofu, maybe some french fries. Man, you don't get your... Nigga talk about he don't eat bananas. I wish I would go to the zoo, see a banana eating see a chimpanzee eating a banana with a knife and fork. Man, you don't... Chimpanzee talking about, oh, they done whitewash the chimp. Oh, kill it. How you gonna wipe you? Hey, why white people do that? Why y'all wipe y'all face after one bite? What's wrong with y'all? I don't know. Why y'all do that? I mean, y'all don't even got lips anyway. Why y'all always trying to wipe y'all lips? There's nothing to really wipe, to be honest. White person to take a bite of a little piece of nigga. I'm talking about they cut the little. What you wipe? Oh, y'all fuck it up. Come on now, white people, man. Y'all wasting napkins. Y'all just wasting napkins doing all that. You tripping. Playing the game, so you know it's one of those where you just chilling, but he wasn't playing, he was just eating the Doritos in the background. So when he was done, he had like, you know how you have like one hand clean, but that hand that you dig in there, it got dummy cheese like all in your fingernails and all that. He talk about, yeah, hey bro, could I use the bathroom to wash my hands? I automatically took my shirt off, man, run that. What I do, man? You ain't about to waste all that cheese. What's wrong with you? You disrespectful. You being, he like, what are you talking about, bro? Bro, my nigga, you not about to just wash all that cheese off, my nigga. Fuck you mean? You know, black people. Oh, that's the best part. The chips ain't even the good part. It's the finger eating thing. You know, you got the cheese, all of it. What? That's the best part. Let a nigga eat some hot Cheetos. I can't wait to lick my fingers. Fuck you to wash your hands. Man. Nigga talk about wash some hands. Any nigga wash his hands after some hot Cheetos, we ain't friends no more. That's final.